Good evening, and welcome to G3 Investors. This is Greg Gallagher, and we're going to take a look at the megaphone chart that I've been talking about on the S&P 500, and something that happened here recently when the SPY made new all-time highs. What this basically did is it tells me that we've really got a serious chance before the end of the year of hitting 3,600 or above. And it also points out that the correction, when and if it happens, could be much more deeper than I thought previously. I previously thought we were up here in the 2,000 range, but now it looks like it could go even deeper. And that's the importance of looking at a megaphone chart. But what's driving this is the parabolic moves in what I call the FANG man stocks. So what I'd like to do is take a look at some of those. And these stocks, and you're going to see here in a minute, what's that doing there? Okay. All right, so let's take a look at Facebook. We'll just take them in order of FANG man. Okay, here's a parabolic move. What do I mean by that? Well, from our March low of 140, around 140, this stock has more than doubled 2.2 times in just a little less than, well, a little more than 6 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, about 6 months. And I mean, it's more than doubled. That's just an incredible move. And you can see how it's just went parabolic right here from here on up. You can see the blue line here, which is the 20 simple moving average, the 20-day, and the red line is the 200-day. So let's take a look at another Amazon. Another FANG man stock. Again, a parabolic move, but a little different. But again, this stock bottomed out at 1689 in March during this correction and is now trading at 2 times double its value in short of 6 months at 34.42. Netflix didn't quite make the 2 times, so NFLX didn't quite make the 2 times range because it only reached about 298 its March low, and then it's at 548. So that's only 1.8 times this rate. Google also didn't make the 2 times list. Went from a little bit over 1,000, like 1,054 down here, up to 1,644. That's 1.6 times. Microsoft. I mean, these are the losers. Microsoft and Google are the losers. They didn't go up 2 times. They only went up 1.6 times. Okay, Microsoft down here at 136. Now it's at 221. Apple. That's the biggest, by far the biggest cap stock. We're over 2 trillion now, comfortably over 2 trillion. We went from a low on Apple of 224 to 506 now. That's 2.26 times, double, more than double. And then the granddaddy of them all here, it's not a very big stock, but it is a semiconductor, and it's an important one. It's showing the growth of the semiconductors. Back here in March, it was at 203, and now we're at 511. So that's 2.5 times. Again, all this in a very short period of time. Now, what's happened here, is if you have been with me, you've seen this before. I've said we are in the delusional denial phase, return to normal. Well, that's went by the wayside. Now that we've made new highs on the S&P 500, we're still in the delusional phase. We're still going up and melting up in the new paradigm. Just real quickly, I want to show you a heat map. This is what it looks like today. There's the performance today, and you can see Facebook was up 8%, Amazon What a loser, only up 2.5% or 2.85. Another loser, 2.3. Apple, whoa, what's wrong with you? Hey, here we go. Software. Now this Salesforce.com here is going to be added in to the Dow and Jones Industrials. I think on Monday it'll start being in. If it was in the index today, the Dow would have been up 200 and some more points than it was already. And there's Microsoft, another loser, Adobe, Oracle. There's a lot of these companies have a lot of help, and there's Tesla's, which doesn't even show up in the S&P 500. But it's just stunning. And if we look at the performance year to date, you can see what is dominating this market. It's these FANG man stocks. Well, that's all I really wanted to cover tonight. So this is Greg Gallagher with G3 Investors, and I should do a little bit of advertising. Here's our results through August 26th. We're up 76%. Become a patron, get early access to videos like this, setups that I see daily, and comments and market updates throughout the day. Just click this little thing and into your browser and sign up. Again, this is Greg Gallagher, G3 Investors, saying good luck and good trading.